Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 9 how to post an IG story to Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this tutorial, we need to have access to an iPhone, the Instagram application, and then once we have that, we can click the Instagram application itself. Make sure you're signed into the account, and now we can go to the profile, go to the home page, swipe left, and now we can either record a video or swipe up and choose a previous video that we used for the previous tutorials. Click on this, pinch to zoom, we can remove the date, and now we can send to your story, add a highlight, send to Facebook or friends and family. For this tutorial, we are only sending to the IG story. Click on done. Once that has uploaded, go back to your profile, swipe down to refresh a couple of times. And now the story is available. Click on this. The video has now been posted to Instagram on IG story. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.